Hi guys and welcome to another video. So I have great news for you guys that I've been waiting for Dalle 2. So this is actually pretty awesome. OpenAI just opened up Dalle 2 for everybody to have access to. So I've been actually playing with Dalle 2 for the last hour, and now I've decided to make this video for you guys to show you guys how you can have access to this. So you can go to the Twitter profile of OpenAI on Twitter, and you can actually start using now. You need to go to openai.com, and we're gonna go there. So you guys need to go to sign up. So the signing process does require a little bit of information, such as your phone number to have access to that. So I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna go to OpenAI. I'm gonna go to labs to access labs.openai.com, and here's my profile. I actually have a little bit of credits you guys can start using. I don't know how much it will cost from here now on, but you can actually try the beta. So I'm gonna start using just to show you guys more or less what you can do with it. So let's go with a cat walking in the water just to see what it will generate. Okay, I'm out of credits now. I cannot generate that. So this is very important. Let me see how I can buy credits. Okay, I'm not gonna buy credits, but these are the images that I was able to generate. Now I've run out of credits, as you guys can see, which is pretty sad, but you can actually use it a lot. I've been using for about an hour, and I'm gonna get more 15 credits today actually, because this website is in Portuguese, and I'm gonna try that. So here we can see some of the demos. I'm gonna actually show you guys what I've been doing. So I've done multiple images. I was trying to do character generation using OpenAI, which I was able to do, and I've actually done many edits on these images. As you guys can see, that's why I ran out of credits. I've used a bunch of them because it's pretty quick. You can generate multiple images per second. I was doing a lot of things. As you guys can see, a lot of character design using OpenAI, which is pretty cool, and you guys can actually start using now, as you guys can see. So I created this image of a cat, and I was trying to see if we were able to generate multiple angles of a cat to see what it can do. So that's it, guys. You guys can start using OpenAI now. You guys need to know that you will probably run out of credits very quickly, because Dalle 2 is very addicting. You can actually do many things. You want to try as many ideas as you can, so you guys should definitely go out and start using now before a lot of people start using. So this was the video, guys. Just a quick update. See you guys in the next one.